about to say condolences on behalf of the Anointed Warriors bands to the family members. Not respect goes out to you. Let me tell you, let me leave a word with you. It's a weeping may endure for a night, but joy cometh in the morning. And let me rephrase that. It means say, I know them alone are gonna have death. All that we are gonna them there. We just don't know when and how and why. For some people are going like say them both seen and them can't dead. But let me tell you something now. If you're dead now, or you're dead next week, at the same dirt them are going to dig and put you in. So all of we are one. They say one love, not true. Big up on yourself, crowd of people. Enough respect goes out to you. Big up the vendor, the motor road. Big up the taxi man name. Big up the farmer man name. Big up the chef them around the kitchen. And if you don't know, say you don't pass with the soup yet. Big up yourself around the kitchen there, Annette. Yes man. The musician them bad not true. Me say them bad not true. Them bad like a banana trash. Oh Jesus. Yeah man, I want to sing there tonight. We are from Trelawney. Anointed Warriors from Trelawney. If you want us for any bookings, you can check us out on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Snapchat, Instagram. Alright? We're always on live every night. So if you feel like you can't make it to Trelawney tomorrow night, just go up on the line. Alright? Pick up on yourself. So before the next singer comes, because we can't take the time, you know. We have to share the time, you know. Two bad singer there, you know. I come, we come and share along the place, you know. You see, we done around here tomorrow, and I have to build over the house there. I'm not trying to. I think we come to play that. Where's the mic, kid? Look yourself. So you see that song you want me to sing right about now? That song here, I want you to help me sing that song here. Help me sing that song here for the family members. We say, tell him we go. Oh, Jesus. The lady can't even wait. What can go so? So that song here when me go sing right about now. I want everybody with the here tonight. Some people like you see, they talk about them now go down there. Some of them, you know, say they now go down there, and they can't lie for them go down there. God no one no liar. He no one no, he no one no liar. Same way one. God no one no liar. He no one no thief. He no one no liar. Don't make up a mind the way. See a place in tree farm. See a place in tree farm. Don't make up a mind the way. Walk out to the doors of your bed. 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 Raise your hand to the doors of your bed. Raise your hand to the doors of your bed. We don't even want to be doors of your bed. We don't even want to be doors of your bed. On the bed, on the bed. Walk out to the doors of your bed. Sure say you're blessed. Yeah. Sure say you're blessed. Yeah. I say you sure say you're blessed. blessed? You sure say you're blessed? You sure say you're blessed? Alright then. Walk out to me, no say you're blessed. Walk out to me, no say you're blessed. Oh, yeah. Some people can't. Your neighbor doesn't watch your son. They say you drive up a car. They don't know where you get money to buy a car, you know. They see you drive up market. The first thing they talk about, you know. See you scam, you scam. They say you're some false neighbor. Over Jesus. You can't come out in a peace. Hello. They say this car. Watch out now! See me, baby, hello! See me, baby,